Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to show you how to pair your ROBOOTER powered wheelchair to the app. This app will allow you to do a lot of things. It will allow you to lock and unlock the wheelchair. You can also remote control it to bring it over to you. You can get it to automatically fold and unfold, a lot of different things like that. You can also monitor the battery life straight from the app. So all you need to do is you need to go on your app store and find this app, this ROBOOTER app, and click get or download. And then once that happens, you can go ahead and open the app. Once you've done that, you want to make sure that there is battery power in your chair and that it is on so that it will be found when you click to search. So you're going to need to allow this application to access your Bluetooth, or else it won't work because it's going to find it via Bluetooth. And then once you do that, you're just going to click to search. Once that happens, you need to just, again, make sure that all the Bluetooth of everything is turned on, and it will search for devices nearby, and then once it's found it, it will come up here, it will click it, and as soon as it connects, it will automatically connect and lock your wheelchair. So now your wheelchair will actually not work until you go in and unlock it on the app. And from there, you can control your wheelchair from the app.